I would do it like number 6. Okay, keep going. Looks great. All right, keep going. Looking good. Keep breaking it down.
Yeah. She wants us to do it by hand.
Keep breaking it down. Keep going like this. Okay, keep breaking it down. Awesome. All right, listen, one thing. What do you need? Yes, ma'am. Awesome. Yep. 3, 2, 5, not 9. 3 times 3 is 9. 2 to the third power is not 9. Perfect. 2 hours. Okay, easy. Yes, great. Okay. Perfect. Hold on, wait. We gotta do you know, when we're stuck, we gotta do the, right, so that 3 in parentheses and then a cube on the outside.
Yeah, yeah.
Positive, but it needs 2.
No.
Yeah. What are you missing? Yeah, yeah, good, good. Good memory. All right, okay. Looking good, you guys. I didn't get to you, or I didn't see you when you were finished, then you're gonna have to just, I'm gonna just trust you that you did a good job. Okay, what's my?
Positive or negative?
Okay.
Yeah.
No, I'm good. Thanks.
At least they help me.
Appreciate for long. That's what I thought.
Wait, is it wrong?
Okay, then yes. No, I mean I do, but I'm just like.
I know I didn't.
That's a good one. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
You didn't put anything.
All right. The third call is your best friend, then you just get over it. So, all right. Okay, so what's my N?
Oh, 4.
4, right? Okay, so 4, 81. M was 3. 81 is 9 times 9, and that is
3 times 3.
3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Don't stop there because you need 4 things, right? 4 3s. Okay, so is it just 3 though? No, it's positive or negative 3. Okay, because 4 is even. That means positive or negative 3 to the third power. What is 3 cubed?
Positive or negative 27.
Positive or negative 27. If you got 27, you were so close, but don't check yourself before you wreck yourself because you don't want to miss it when you did all this work and you were so close. Okay, remember to look at your N. N was 4, so you got to have plus or minus 27. Okay, but y'all did awesome when I was walking around. Okay, last ones we're going to solve. Okay? Right, and again, I don't think this is going to be very hard. Most of this is stuff that you've already done before. Okay, it's just solving. Part C, find the real solutions to the equations. Find the real solutions to the equations.
Sorry, I can't do the same. I'm doing it because we need to play Mesquite. Sorry.
Before we can be big next year.
But I'm gonna play this place. I'm gonna get a face tattoo. We're gonna cause any complications.
All right. Number 9. 6x cubed equals negative 6. Okay, again, most of this will be stuff that we've already done. Okay, only one thing is going to be something that we kind of learned today, and it's not even that hard. All right, we're solving. Now, this has a variable that we want to find. What do we need to do first?
Move the negative 6? No.
Divide by 6, right? We're going to divide by this 6. We want to get the x alone. Divide by 6. Okay. X cubed equals, what's this, negative 6 divided by 6? Negative 1. Okay, so we're already almost finished on this one. How do you undo an exponent? the root, okay?
Square root.
People always want to say square root, but this one's not squared, so it's not a square root. It's really a cube root. But let's just say root, okay? The opposite of an exponent, y'all, phones away. All right, the opposite. Okay, when I'm talking, do y'all want me to take up the phones? We're going to put them away. Away. Like out of sight. Out of your hands. Away. Like we're not on our phones right now because we're doing something else. All right, the opposite of an exponent, how to undo an exponent is the root. Okay, and I know you're used to saying square root. Okay, but this one, since it's cube, it's a cube root. That let's just use the word root. That way we don't have to say which one it is. Okay, don't have to worry about it. All right, but we'll cube root it. All right, this cancels out that and leaves me with just x. All right, whoops. That needs to be a cube root as well right there. All right, and we need the cube root of -1. Okay, I'm okay with if you use the calculator on these parts, okay, because it can make it a really long problem if we have to do all the solving and this, okay? But let's think logically. All right, what times itself 3 times equals -1? -1. Okay, how many solutions should there be if it's a odd root? 1, right? -1. X equals -1. There's only 1.
Wow. Fascinating.
I'm glad that you find it fascinating. All right, even if that was sarcasm.
Take it away.
All right. All right, number 10. 2 parentheses x plus 5 to the 4th power equals 162.
Okay, I'm not on your desk at all. Your desk is overlapping mine, so you move.
Okay, now, I feel like on these types of problems, these are the ones where people really question what moves they want to do first. They know they want to do the 4th root. They know they want to -5, but they are not sure what order to do it in. Okay, the best way to think about one of these is whatever's farthest away or most to the outside, do that first. Okay? Yes.
Are you gonna move the 2 to the parentheses?
Great question. I know that's what most people want to do every time you see a number outside the parentheses, but okay. Phantom phone. All right. Since there is a 4 outside here, that makes this impenetrable. The 2 cannot go inside, but we want to undo the 2 anyway. So distributing is multiplying. So how do we undo this 2?
-2.
All right.
Divide.
Divide, right? Divide. We're divide by 2. Right. Okay, that leaves me with x plus 5 to the 4th equals, what's 162 divided by 2? 81. Thank you. Okay, now that x plus 5 can't change because it's stuck inside the parentheses because of that 4. Okay, so now once you have the parentheses and just the x